Hello there. At Honey Computing Services, we have introduced a new app, Advocate Diary and Case Management Systems. This app is mainly used for managing clients and access their case details. Using this app, lawyers can simply add or edit case details, clients and their hearings. Lawyers can customize list of courts and can also track cases as well as set reminders for follow-ups. All the case details are available at lawyers' fingertips. This app is a very smart and easy way to manage the entire case data. So let's see the functionality of the app here. Once you download this app, this is the registration cum login page. If you are already a member, your system will fetch your previous records. If you are not a member, you need to register yourself providing all the required details like your name, email ID and phone number. Now let's enter the credentials here. Now here after registration you get a success message. And now this message shows the validity period, that is 1 month from the date of your registration. Now after the success message, you will be directed to add new case page. Here you have to enter the case name or number. Here we are entering the case name. Now next, engage for field indicates client's role in the case, and you can select his role from the drop down menu here. Now in the next field, you can select court name from the available menus. We have already provided you 7 types of courts. And if your court type is not in the list, you can manually write it down below. In the next field here, you can enter your client's name. You cannot select it from the existing client list here, as you can see, since you are a new member and yet not entered any client. So here, after entering the client, you can move to below fields, that is opposite party name, opposite party advocate, applicable acts, and down below is the remarks. All these 4 fields are optional. This last option, what you can see here, is the status of your case. Now it is by default running, but if your case is already decided, you can always change the options as per your requirement. Now after adding the case, you get a success message and you will be directed to add new hearing page. Now on this page, select the case in which you want to add a new hearing. Case 1. Now add next stage, that is the reason for next hearing. Here you select the schedule date and write your remarks. Now here we have selected the date and writing the remarks. After pressing the submit button, you will again get the success message. Now you are already redirected to my hearing page. Here you can find a list of hearings added by you. You can see the details of hearings like case details, court details, client details and hearing details. In edit schedule, you can also edit already existing hearings. You can also send the details of hearings to your clients via SMS, WhatsApp and email, as you can see here. And last option is the option for provision of deleting the hearings. You can always delete your hearing if you require. Now we will come to our home page. Now in my first option, that is my calendar, you can view the list of all future hearings. These hearings will be automatically connected to your Google Calendar also. Now you can see the details of hearing by clicking on it. You can see the details. In my hearing, you can see the list of hearings in details. This add hearing of feature we have already discussed on. In Share Advocate Diary, you can share this to your contacts. In My Clients, you get the list of your clients entered by you. Here we can add clients as well as delete them too. In Codes, you can see the list of existing codes. In My Cases, you can view the list of your running cases. In My Profile, you can see your profile and your personal data. At the same time, you can also edit your information. Now, in My Settings, you can schedule the notifications or reminder time for your client hearings. You can also schedule the notification or reminder for your future hearing. These all scheduled hearings will give a notification in the form of an alarm set by you only. Now, coming back to the home page, Get My Data is already elaborated earlier. In Data Statistics, you get a summary of all your data. Here you can view the expiry date of your app from the date of your registration. In Get Phone Call from the company, you will be directed to contact page wherein you can submit your query, which will be taken care of very soon. In Push My Device Data to Web Server, the best thing about this app is you can make all the entries while you're offline also. When you come online, you can push your device data to the web server. Just select this option and push all the data. In FAQ, here you can see your FAQ. In FAQ, most of the queries are answered. You can go through the same. In our other applications, you can view and download our various useful apps, as you can see here. In Website Access, we have already provided the link which can work on any device and in any browser. So that's all about this app. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.